Okay, where's this thing at so I can get it? There it is.
That's straight up LA.
You may not see it, but you definitely, yeah, there it is. You hear this, terrorist? See what it is? As soon as we get home, circling our house. This happens on a daily, at random times of the day.
Right over our house.
They,
Ain't no drug neighborhood, ain't nothing.
exactly.
Gated community.
Exactly.
No reason.
There's no legitimate reason for these terrorists to keep circling our property day in, day out, various times of the day, in the morning, at night, at midnight, 3 a.m., all times of the day. This is what happens to us on a daily.
Yeah, there ain't no freeway over there.
See how they're making circles over our house?
Yeah, that's... Alright, baby, let's...
Hold on, I'm gonna keep watching, see how he keeps making these circles.